Hey guys, Alex Precision Auto Source. We have a new water pump, old water pump off of a BMW 650 2010 in particular. The years, I think it's all the way down to 03, 04 up until 2010, I believe, where they don't have actually a tensioner for the AC built, as you could see. This is stretch fitted. You need a special tool. You can put it on without the tool, but it is pretty hard. And if you need to know how, you basically put it on the way you would put a bicycle chain when it falls off a sprocket, kind of like, and push it on there. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about the last bolt on this. Never, well, I'm not going to say never, but I personally haven't seen a video of can you or can you not take off the pump without removing the crank pulley. And as you can see, I have taken it off. Now, when you take it off, so pretend that I just took off this bolt. As you can see, I am able to fit this bolt here, and I'll tell you why in a second. But when you're taking off the pump, just undo this bolt that I'm holding right now all the way. You could feel it by finger, so just undo it. You're not going to be able to take it out with the pump on there. But once you take the pump off or break the seal of the pump, of the old pump, you have to move the pump, wiggle it a little bit, and you'll see this at a angle. You'll be able to take it out. Now, before I drop this, okay, got it now. What I have done is I have took just a little bit off the tip of this bolt. So now I am able to fit it over here, and I'm going to put this on the pump first and then put the whole assembly in here and then thread it in the hole. So I just took off very lightly. I grinded it on the wheel just so it lets me fit it in there so I don't have to wrestle with it during installation. But yes, the answer is yes, you can take off the pump without taking off the pulley, and I highly recommend doing it this way, because it is a pain to put that belt back and the pulley, and who knows what other problems you're going to encounter when taking it off. Hope this helps someone who's doing this job. If you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.